There are so many mysteries of this keyword in JavaScript, and today we'll discuss one of them. Let's start with creating a simple object like tweet. We have two properties, name and followers. And just to become a little bit naughty, I've defined another variable with same name, followers, and assign as 0 in the top, just before we declare this tweet object. And here we define an object method, September, which is completely valid syntax. Inside that we are trying to print this.followers. So the $1,000,000 question is, what the value will print? It is 7795 or it would be 0. Let's try to discuss on a little bit more elaborately. After this tweet object, if you try to print tweet.september, the output will contain 7795. That means the inside value it will print. In this context, this will refer to the tweet object. But let's discuss another interesting scenario. Like as we know, the JavaScript function are the first-class citizen. Like tweet.september, we can assign into another variable today. And let's call today as a function calling. So what should it contain? Definitely it should 7795. No, you are absolutely wrong. It will contain 0. At this point, this will refer to the window object or the global object. So the output will contain 0 because this will refer to this followers now, not to the inside one. So puzzled? Yes, this JavaScript, this is funny. Now let's, just to prove my point, let me show you how it execute the code so that you must know that I'm correct. So if you're printing tweet.september, like it is printing 7795. Like for example, if I try to assign into a variable today and try to print today equal to 0. If I let's say try to change the values to 10, so it will print to 10. Hope you learned something today. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.